Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing arthropods. Unlike the mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and mostly all fish featured in our other episodes, arthropods are completely lacking in a backbone. Arthropods themselves differ from other animals lacking a backbone in that during at least part of their lives, they possess a hardened exoskeleton made mostly of chitin, which is shed periodically so they can grow. Their bodies are segmented in parts that meet at joints, this trait being the defining aspect of their name.
If these creatures give you the creepy crawlies, you'll be glad to know that their ancestors, who appeared larger than their modern-day descendants, are no longer living. Still, arthropods are the animals that make up a large percentage of the animal life on Earth. Don't worry, a lot of them are so small, you probably wouldn't notice them anyway.
Arthropods include animals such as spiders, lobsters, katydids, and crabs. There are plenty to discover in the AFF Arthropod playlist. If you haven't already, be sure to check it out. We hope you learned something new, and we thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.